Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Yellow color, red color, green color, black color, blue color, and white color. Kids, nine alphabets, and first letter A, and here is yellow color. A for apple, A for ant, B for ball, B for bat, C for cat, C for car, D for dog, D for doll, E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, again use yellow color and draw F for fish, F for fan, G for God, G for glass. Kids, now H for hand, H for helicopter, and here is red color. I for ice cream, J for joker, K for king, L for lion, M for moon. Kids, again use red color and draw N for nose. Kids, now O for octopus, and here is green color. P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose. Kids, again use green color and draw S for sun, T for teacher, kids, now U for umbrella, and here is black color. V for van, W for wallet. Kids, again use black color and draw X for a xylophone, Y for here, Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.